In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI app using the MIT App Inventor. So here we go. And type here AI4, that's my app name. Click on OK. Now here I'm going to design this app first. Okay, so first we need one layout. That one is vertical arrangement like this, and make it fill with parent, fill parent, and make it also. Fine. Now I'm going to drag and drop one browser. Okay, because we have to display the GIF image. Okay, now we are going to use here 3 buttons and 2 labels. Okay, so for 3 buttons I'm going to use here one more layout, that is horizontal arrangement like this, and here I'm going to make it fill parent. Now here I'm going to use here 3 buttons, 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Now I'm going to change the button text, something like ask me, then teach me, then third one is manual. Fine. And make this center and center like this. Now I'm going to use here 2 label. So that one is first label and second one is this one. Like, okay, fine. Now I'm going to change this text, like that one is answer and first one is question. Fine. Now we have to display one image here. So there's 2 options. You can display the image from the any GIF URL, like just type here talking girl GIF. Okay, you can use any character, right? Jiffy, and you can use you can use any other image also. Okay, that's really doesn't matter. So you have to find the image. So here you can see that if I'm suppose I want just to put this girl in my app, like, or this man in girl, that's the boy, he's talking something. Okay, I'm going to put this. No, I'm going to use this one. So copy link and copy this GIF image and open this in new tab, and you will see here that's the image here. Now again you can click on this image and open image in new tab like this. And now I'm going to copy this and go to my app, and you will see here home URL, paste it like this. Okay, so that's here your girl image or your any character image here. Now we are going to use here code for manual. Okay, so what we will do, I'm going to just change the background color of this, make it orange, and make this one is also orange. Fine. And you can change this button color also. Okay, so in this video we are going to just design the whole whole app right now. Okay, then in the next video we will learn how to code for that. Okay, because it's going too long. Because okay, so I'm going to change their text color something white and make it background color some custom. Okay, and I'm going to design this one also. Okay, I have to copy this code from here. You will see here done, and make it, click on another button and click on default custom and paste it like this, and change text color to white. In the third button we have to done same thing. Fine. Now I'm going to hide this whole vertical arrangement. Click on visible off, and now again we have to drag and drop another one is also vertical arrangement. Make this one is also fill parent, and this one is also fill parent. Okay, so here I'm going to design the manual screen. Okay, so I'm going to use here to text box like we have to put question and answer both. So that one is question for, that one is for answer. Click on vertical arrangement and make it center, and this one is also center. Change the background color to something, anything, like I'm going to use here black, and make this text box with this fill parent like this, and I'm going to make it also fill parent like this. And here hint box is something, in a second is answer, and in the first box I'm going to put question. Fine. Now I'm going to use here two buttons, one for back and second for the saving the answer. So just just save it, and you can just use here save, and this one is for back. Okay, you can use here save answer also, and I'm going to change the background color, and I have copy already. Okay, be careful about designing. You should use at least similar buttons in your whole app. Okay, so that's the basic concepts of designing the app and something. Okay, you can not only same color you can use, but don't use like multiple colors. Okay, it's not a design, it's not good. I'm going to change it to white and make it white. Fine. Okay, so I'm going to code for this back button. So first I'm going to code for the vertical. So click on vertical arrangement, and that one is visible on, make it visible off. So someone click on manual button, so I'm going to rename this button, and that one is manual BTN. Click on OK, and I'm going to the block section here, and whenever someone click on the manual button, so where is my manual button? Manual BTN. So if someone click on manual button, so we have to hide vertical arrangement visible, that one is false, and another one like this vertical arrangement 2 should be visible, like this one enable. Fine. And whenever we click on the back button, so we have to make it another something. I'm going to do it, so I have to check first which one is our back button. Okay, so go to the vertical arrangement 2, and that's our, we have to make it visible on, and click on this back button, and you will see that one button 5. I'm going to rename it back BTN. Click on OK. Go to the block section and back BTN, drag and drop this, or you can remove and just copy and paste this and change here from back button and make it true, and make this one is false. Fine. Now we have completely designed our app right now. Fine. That's the overall. So first we need some extension here. So what we need? So first we need text to speech. Okay, so here you can see text to speech in a media. So drag and drop this one, like here. This one is non-visible component, and we have to drag and drop one more thing, speech recognizer. But the thing is, if I am using this one, so there is a one branding of Google, there's, you can see the dialog of Google. So I don't want this. So what I'm going to do, here you can see, I'll give you the link of this extension here. Here the extension communityappbuilder.com, and that one is voice recognizer extension without Google dialog. So here you can see that one is extension here. So click on this extension AIX file and download this, and we have to go to the extension, and you will see import extension, and drag and drop this and import it, and you will see here the extension, right, and drag and drop this extension like this. Now I'm going to drag and drop this one 2 times, like again. So that one is recognizer 1 and recognizer 2. Fine. Now I'm going to the block section here. Okay, we have to drag and drop one cloud DB also, because we have to store the data, right? Now I'm going to use one block, go to the storage and drag and drop Cloud DB. First, I'm going to focus on Ask Me button. We are going to code for Ask Me button. Okay. So what we will do, click on this Ask Me button. You will see here button 1. So I'm going to change this button name, something Ask Me BTN. That's the button name here. And for the Teach Me, I'm going to change this button name, Teach Me BTN, like this. Fine. And that one is manual BTN. Fine. Go to the block section here. Okay, so we have to write the code for BTN, and you will see here BTN button, Ask Me BTN. So drag and drop this button here. Now that one is I'm going to make it. Okay, there's one thing. Just right click and you will see here like this how it's expand and like this and make it collapse. So okay, so it's better. You know that's the code, that code. Okay, so whenever someone click on ask me button, so we have to display the voice recognizer. So what we will do, as we speak recognizer, so you will see here call get text. Okay, so whenever we ask, this will call, but this will not showing you the dialog box. Okay, now second thing, what we have to do this like whenever we get the text. Okay, so click on speech recognizer 1 and you will see here after getting text. So what we will do, whenever we get the text, so we have to call Cloud DB to fetch the data. This tag is available or not. It means that question is available or not. If someone is asked what is the capital of America or what is the capital of India, so this tag, the ally will find the question first, it is available or not. If it is available, then she will give you the answer, otherwise she will not give you the answer. So now the thing is, what we will do here, we have to call the Cloud DB because she will find the answer here. You will see get value here, right? Drag and drop this, and which tag we have to find? We have to find the result. It means if I have asked like what is the capital of India, it means that the result here what we have asked, to get tag and value. If there is no value of this tag, we will just write here, that's the text like this, and we just type here I don't know, please teach me. I don't know, please teach me, like this. Fine. But if the answer is correct, so what we will do, first we have to set the value what we have asked in the label, so no one will confused. Okay, now we have to set label 2, like you can see in our design, that's the question and that's the answer. So what we have asked, so we have to display this question also, because sometimes there's a problem with pronunciation. So we are going to drag and drop here, set label text what we have asked, we will clarify with this. Okay, and we have to set here what we have asked, that's the question or answer. It means first label is question, label 1 is for question and that one is answer. It means what we have asked, it means the get result, set label. So whenever CloudDB dot got the value, it means call here CloudDB and you will see here data change first got value, then we have to call here, you will see text to speech and we will call here like this, and we have to, Ali should speak the answer, Ali should tell the answer. So which answer she will tell you, the answer should be the value, like what we have what we got from the CloudDB. It means first thing what we have done after getting text, we get the result tag. It means if the tag is exist, like what is the capital of India is exist, then we get the answer of this tag. Okay, so what we will get, to get the value, so we have to get value like this here. Fine. Now we have to set this value tag in a label, so just copy and paste this label like this here and make this one is value. Copy and paste it like this. Fine. And we have to change the label. So this one is going to be label 2. Fine. Now what we have to do, so that's the ask for asking. Okay, so we have to store the value, because if she doesn't know something, so we have to teach her. Okay, so in this section we are going to teaching her. So first I'm going to teaching her manually, and the second part we will teach her like in a voice, using voice. Okay, so first we teach by the manual. Like in the second part you can see here, I'm going to hide this one, make it invisible and make it visible. Write this whenever someone click on the manual button for teaching her. So you will see here 2 text box. One is for question and second one is for answer, and that's the save answer button. I'm going to rename this button save answer btn. Okay, go to the blog and you will see here the save answer button. Where is it? This one. So whenever someone click on save answer button, so we have to store the tag. So we have to store tag, and then we have to store answer also, like question and answer both. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use here cloud-db1.store value. You will see here the store value, like see, drag and drop this. And which tag we have to store? It means question is a tag. So that one is text box 1 value. So go to the blog, text box 1.text. This one is going to be our tag, and for this tag which value we have to store? Text box 2.text. Like that one is, here is the question and that's the answer here. Fine, we have stored the value. Now what I'm going to do here, we have stored the value here. Okay, now the thing is, we have to go to the design section and make sure this should be visible off and this vertical arrangement should be visible on. Okay, make sure do this thing. Now we are going to test this app. Go to the campaign here and run AI. I'm using an AI campaign. So that's the app here, what we have built till now. If I'm asking something, like click on ask me button. Are you happy?
I don't know, please teach me.
She doesn't know. Like see, that's the question, are you happy? And that's the answer. Now she don't know, I'm going to teach her. Click on manual and I'm going to type here, are you happy? And here is the answer, like yes, I am I'm so happy. Okay, and click on save answer. Now back button and ask her again, are you happy?
Yes, I'm so happy.
We already have done code for ask me button and manual button. Okay, in this teach me button we will learn how we can teach any robot without typing the question and answer. Okay, you just need to tell her any question and answer to Ali and she will remember. Now go to the block section. Okay, so you remember that one thing we have drag and drop 2 times this one is speech recognizer, right? So we have to just click on this teach me button. You will see here teach me button. Go to the block section and here I'm going to just rearrange this code. Now you can see here the teach me button, this one. Click on this button and when someone click on teach me button, so we have to call the another speech recognizer. Okay, so we will call this one speech recognizer 2 for getting the text here like this. Now this speech recognizer get the text. So what will happen? Click on speech recognizer 2 and after getting text we have to code in this section. Fine. Now what we will do, we have to set label 2 and label 3 value. Okay, it means here you will see here that one label 1 and label 2 value. So I'm going to use here one set label 1 text. It means that one is something, the question what we have teach her, and second one is should be answer, right? That one label 2 and that one is label 1. Use here one thing, that one is select list item list. So you will see here list, and you have to find here select list item. So here you can see select list item list, drag and drop this here like this. Okay, and here, okay, the thing is, the concept of this, I'm going to just tell you to her like suppose what is the capital of India. Okay, so I'm going to teach her like what is the capital of India. Answer is Delhi. Okay, so we have to separate this whole sentence in two parts and divide it into two parts, like one is a question and second one is answer, and we have to remove answer is text also, right? So what we will do, we have to first split the text. So that's why we use a select list item list, and then we are going to split the text. So here you can see, click on text, and you will see here split this one like this, and which text we have to split, or answer, it means result. So get result, it means that's the result here we have to split. And where we are going to split this text, we are going to split this text in the answer like this, SWER, answer. Fine. And which one we have to which one part we have to use? First part. So here we use maths, here 1, index 1 is 1, that one. Now that's the label 1, it means that's the question. Now we have to use here answer in the label 2. So we are going to replace the whole text, it means the whole question, to the blank, and only use and only get the answer only, right? So I'm going to use here replace function. You will see replace method, replace all text like this here, and we have to join the text again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use click on text, and here you will see join. You will see here like this. And which text we have to join? Answer, this one. And second one is we have to split again, it means copy and paste this one as it is and make it here. Where is it? That one is drag and drop here, and we have to use here second like this. I'm going to just collapse those codes so you can see better here. Fine, it's fine, you're nice. Now I'm going to use here one more thing, that one is blank, which text we have to replace with. So we have to replace text, all text with blank. So we will get the answer only. Fine, that's the code. Now I'm going to store this value, it means label 1 and label 2 value in the data, it means CloudDB. So you will see here that one we are using here manually, and this, and I'm going to change here to make it label. Remove this text box and use here label 1.text like this, and make it means what tag, that one is our question label 1 and that one is the answer, it means that one is tag, and value to store this one label 2. And after storing the value, we just ideally should be like one call to speech, text to speech, and we just call here thanks for teaching me, like, okay. So I'm going to use here this one, and here I'm going to just type here thanks for teaching me, thanks for teaching me. Fine, okay, that's the mistake here. Here you need to drag and drop this code, and there should be answer is like this. See, you should, I'm going to zoom in this code, and that's the code here. So let's see how it's work. So that's the app here. Now if I want to teach her what is the capital of India, okay, and the answer is Delhi, then what should I have to do? I have to teach her like this. I'm going to show you. Click on teach me button and then tap what is the capital of India? Answer is Delhi. You will see here what is the capital of India. That's the question we have saved in our database, and that's the answer, Delhi. So I'm going to ask some question to Ali. Suppose click on ask button. Okay, I'm going to just click on this button. What is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Fine. You can see here that's the question what we have asked, and that's the answer. right? Now I'm going to ask again something. Who are you?
I don't know, please teach me.
So I'm going to teach her. Click on manual button and you will see the question. Who are you? I'm just put question and here answer is I am Ali and save this answer. Okay, click on save button and go to the back. And now I'm going to asking again. Who are you?